In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a test transaction on Shopify POS. Whether you're setting up your POS system for the first time or just want to make sure everything is working correctly before taking real payments, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure your Shopify POS account is fully set up and then enter your POS home page. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and tap on the menu option. Here, you'll be able to see the location you're currently logged into, which is important because transactions are tied to specific locations. From the menu, select Settings and then choose Payment Settings. You'll see different payment options available. For this test, we're going to use cash payments, so make sure the option to accept cash payments is enabled before moving forward. Next, once cash is enabled as a payment method, we need to start a new cash tracking the session. To do this, go back to the menu, select Register, and then tap on Start Tracking or Session. You'll be asked to enter the starting amount of cash in the register. Enter the amount, then select Confirm. So Shopify POS knows how much cash is expected in the drawer. After that, it's time to add a product to the cart. Go back to the menu and select Products. You can scroll through the list or search for a specific product. Once you find the product you want to use for the test, tap on it and add it to the cart. Now we'll add the customer for this transaction. Go to the home page, add customer. Since this is just a test transaction, you can add your own details here. Make sure you enter a valid email address so you can receive the receipt. Once the customer is added, select Checkout and choose Cash as the payment method. You'll see the total amount displayed at the top of the screen. Select the option to email the receipt, tap Send, and you can also add a note mentioning that this is a test transaction. After that, select Done to complete the transaction. You should receive the receipt in your email shortly. Finally, to properly finish the process, you can close the register. Go to the menu, select Register, and tap View Open Session. Check the expected cash and received cash, then select End Tracking Session. Enter the total cash amount, tap Next, confirm the amount left in the drawer, and tap Done. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully run a test transaction on Shopify POS with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up smoothly.